This is the continuation of the basic overhaul of our bedroom. Now, the floor had already been primered to begin with, or at least the center section hadn't finally gotten finished before they put the carpet on top of it. So the wife and I have discussed it, and we're going to go ahead and put linoleum flooring down. That's going to be the simplest way. She was really disappointed in the way the barn board over here was really in bad shape, and we found probably the easiest way to do it is to go ahead and paint that, and then go ahead and put barn board down. So I'm getting ready to do that. I'm cleaning this up, and then going to we went out and bought barn board looking linoleum, and that was 88 cents a square foot. And the bad thing about it is you can only get your linoleum in 12-foot width. You can get it as long as you want, but you can only get it in 12-foot widths. And unfortunately, this area here is 12.5 wide. So we had to do we're going to wind up going 12 feet this way, and another 12 feet, and another 12 feet. Because this is 12.5 wide by here, and this area here is 16 wide by a total of 30 feet long. So you're going to have to take that into consideration when you're doing your room. You can special order it at 13 feet, but you know you're not going to be able to go into the store and buy the roll of linoleum at 13 feet. You're going to have to special order it or find remnants. If you're doing carpeting, that's a different scenario because it's easier to. You're just going to have to mate them together as you're doing it. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is where we're at. We got it up here, and it looks pretty nice. It's again the barn. I think well, we got it at Bargain Outlet, and the style is number 700 Texas. So if you're looking for it, that's the style. So it's going to make it look. I think it will make it look pretty cool. But again, like I said, you can only get it 12 feet wide. This room was 12 feet 6 inches. But with this excess anyway, I need to go inside the closets anyway, and then I've got to probably zip off this amount here to butt up against the inside of the bathroom floor. So the next shot will be to go another 12 feet that way. Now I've got to get this contoured to the walls, into the end of the closets, and into the bathroom. So that's where I'm at right now. Got me a nice long piece of wood here so I can get my length, get a straight line made as I'm doing it. That's 6 inches. 6 inch in there. Downstairs, dude. They're downstairs. They're downstairs. Where you going? Bottom quarter there. Definitely one of the reasons that you want excess anyway. So. The other thing is how you set this is going to be how it's going to sit when you go that way as well. So let me get it as close to square as possible. It's going to be another key to getting it right. So slide up underneath there. Overlay. Line pretty straight. Let's get another one of these. So check my numbers here. 5 over. reason I'm not worried about marking it on top is because it's all going to be covered in.
So what, you're the cobweb lady? Okay. You go ahead, you can be the cobweb lady.
Missing spots, it made me crazy.
You know, you can be the cobweb lady, I'll be the dusting lady. Because Dana's the flooring man. Oops. Wish my legs worked. So I wish my legs worked. Shit, man. There's 2 days on.